What's going on, man? We back. Finna go ahead and walk through these steps. We gave you a little teaser, giving you the overview. Now it's time for the breakdown. So I'm gonna walk through each step one by one so it makes it easier for you to pick it up and then learn it and take it to the parties, take it to the classes and show off your stuff, right? So the first step, once I showed you, is a shuffle step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now I went slow. Now if you can't get it slow, then you got a problem, a real problem. You need to get to a class. We're gonna get you together then, all right? So that's the shuffle step. And when you take your time, like I said, don't do too much. You want to catch the feet, please? It'll be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Get your step, boom. Get your step, boom. And if you have to step up, you can do it like this. Now, if you ain't got no rhythm, that's going to be a V for you. But continue to practice the step. You'll be able to lock it in. You know what I mean? And then you'll be able to do it at some parties. You know what I'm saying? They got parties like 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now, just so you know, I just did a shuffle up and I shuffle back. Okay? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So I want you to make sure you practice that. Rewind, all that stuff. If you got any questions, any better tips, let me know. I'm here to assist you as best as possible because I want us to be on the floor together. So make sure you subscribe, like, follow this page, tell your friends because they need to know this stuff. It's important. Talk to you soon.